Here's my review on the assembly of this shoe bench right here. So you build it upside down basically. So the top is the bottom right here. You're gonna put the walls on it, and then you're gonna screw the shelves into place. 2 different shelves, and then this final wall on the exterior, and then you're gonna build the base and screw the base onto the bottom, which is currently the top right now. But once you get the base screwed on, then you can flip the whole thing over and it'll stand on its base just fine. And then you can finish assembling the final pieces. Like this right here is a little like box compartment that screws onto the side of it that you can slip some stuff down into. And you can see there's also some little hanging hooks on the other side, the opposite side that you just saw. So this piece, this little box slot, you're gonna screw that onto the side, and then lastly you have this little shelf that inserts, and that's the whole build. Took me, I don't know, 30-40 minutes, something like that. Some people will do it faster, some people maybe a little slower, but the cushion fits nice, and it actually has a good amount of stickiness, so it doesn't like slide around all over the place and stuff like that. But here's a look at the final product. It's heavy duty, it looks nice, feels nice. I think you'll be really happy with it.